Guys, welcome back to the 4WICKEDBROS, and today we are here with another video. So you might have seen our last video where I did trick-or-treating. These, so it's gonna be up there somewhere, I don't know, that side, I don't know. But this is the treats that I got.
These are the treats.
And this is just something I wanted to show you guys real quick. I got a bunch of tricks too. Look at that. It's a slime that I made.
Look how nice it is, guys.
At the end of the video, should I show them
when you mix it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Because I'm going to mix it, so...
Okay.
Oh, I got some slime on my finger. Get that off. There, so what shall I...
So what have you got? So you've got an Oosh cotton candy, Zuru one. In green, then another one in yellow. Then you've got cake pop cuties thing. Then you've got squish me's.
Yeah. Then I got a bunch of Hatchimal eggs. And I got a Hatchimal.
Then you've got a color changing putty.
Yeah.
And you've got a neon fluffy slime, which you already opened, and you're gonna show them. Do you wanna show them that first?
Oh, I think it's gonna be a pain in the butt to get out. Look at it. Slimes like this, like butter slimes, always take so long to get out. I'll just show them this piece for now.
Yeah, that's it, yeah. All of it is the same, so.
This is it.
That is really cool, isn't it? You've always liked it, didn't you?
Yeah.
But we've never found it in green, have we?
Yeah, never found it in another color.
No, it's just pink that we found it in.
Yeah. That's why I'm starting to get so mad. It's not as fun as last time because it's not a different color.
Yeah. Well, maybe next time we'll find it in green. You never
Oh
know.
my god.
Okay, do you want to just leave it there?
After this, I'm putting it in a different container, guys.
Yeah, definitely.
So, now what shall
Do you want to, because you opened the color changing putty, do you want to do that as well first? Show them that.
Ooh, look what happened. Get that out. It's like good.
So let's see what color it is first.
It's purple.
Purple.
And then, since Mommy has very hot hands.
Because I have a problem with my hand, so my hand is always really, really hot.
And then...
Look, you can see, guys, it changes color to blue.
And then, after Mommy changes that to blue...
There you go.
It's a nice
blue
putty. A nice stretchy blue putty. But then, if you do it somewhere cold on like the cold table...
Wow, show us the other side. There. You can kind of see the blue.
Yeah, and then...
The blue is in there.
Yeah, and then on the bottom, there's no blue.
Look at that. When I put my hands on it.
Oh, it looks so cool. So that is the color changing putty. How much did
It's pretty cool, isn't it?
How much did this cost?
I can't remember. I think maybe just £1.
Bro, I would definitely buy this for £1. 10 of these for £1, and then I would
Make a big one.
And yeah, make a big one. It's so good. Well, it's very good for a putty.
Yeah, it is nice for a putty, I have to say.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay, so next, do you want to open the eggs?
Yes.
Go on then.
Oh,
Rub the. Oh yeah.
I think we should open them. Let me try.
Oh, I can't because of my hand. Oh, there you go. Let's have a look.
Keep dropping.
He's really sweet, guys. Look at him.
I think I will open the smaller eggs first. Well, they're not actually smaller, they're lighter.
Yeah? So that is kind of like, yeah, a different type of yellow, isn't it?
Yeah, different type of yellow than my favorite yellow, so.
Is it done?
What? I think it is.
Nice. Okay. Do you want to break it?
Okay, I think I might need to rub it a little more. It's not opening. I need to rub it a little more. Yeah, it's not the same color as yours. Oh, thank you. I think we can open our eyes. First, we should do the other egg. And then put them all down together. Because today I got 5.
5 of them.
Oh my god, I can barely do it. So long.
There you go. Do you want to open that?
Yeah, I'll open this.
Press down on it harder.
Okay, maybe like...
Press it in your hand.
No. Yeah. Is that all of them? I'm gonna wait.
Hang on, there's one more.
Crack. And then I'm gonna get all of them. First, this one. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Twins! Twins!
We've
Twins!
never had twins, guys. We've never had twins, Jaden.
Twins.
Oh my god, we've never had twins, guys. Oh! The twin is on the floor. Oh
Maybe
no!
I might try and get him. Oh, well, right there.
Put him here on my palm. Next to it. Oh. Hang on. Let's put it on.
Can't believe we got twins.
God, we've never had twins before, have we?
Do you see the difference? One has one of their eyes closed.
Oh yeah.
And they're wearing like different colors
Oh yeah.
and stuff.
Oh, how cool. That is really, really cool.
Okay, then
Okay. That is super cool.
this is not a twin, but it is.
Oh my god, we don't have him either.
Yeah, every guy here we don't have.
No. That's so cool. I'm so pleased we don't have him.
Oh, I think this is another guy we don't have.
Show me.
Wait, wait.
Yeah, we don't have her. Oh my god, that's so cute, guys.
One last
She's so cute.
One
She's
last
so
one,
cute.
guys.
One last one.
This is also new.
Oh my god, yes. Oh my god, guys, we don't have any of them and we have a lot, don't we?
Yes.
But we don't have any of these guys. Wow, how
Neither do
cool
we
is
have
that?
one.
No, we don't have him either. But those twins.
I think
Those twins
out
are
of
so
everyone
cool.
here, the twins, because they're more rare.
Yeah,
So cute.
that is super cool. Let's have a look.
So guys, we have just looked at the commons and the rares.
Over here.
Basically-
It says, actually on the packet, it said, will you hatch twins?
Yeah.
And
So
we did.
These twins that we have are actually rare.
Yeah. And which other one is rare?
This guy.
And that guy is a rare one as well. So all those are just common ones.
But I think that should have been a rare. Like, I think all of these should be at least literally rare.
They are cute, aren't they?
Yes.
Okay, so what do you want to do next? Which one do you want to open next?
Probably stretchy phone.
Stretchy foam, the Zuru one.
Yes, the yellow one. So, which way do you open this? I thought you just pull this off.
No, it's got a thing on the side, Jaden. Put it to open.
So guys, just like that, it is open. The wrapper is off. Now I might as well take this off. And, wow, that is crazy. Let's put that there. Oh, where do you open this from? There? Just like magic, well, bam, it is open. And guys, I think, mommy, you need to smell it real quick. Oh my god.
Oh my god, guys, that smells lovely.
It smells kind of like lemon. Now we need, oh, you see this blown. It's like cloud fluff slime.
Yeah, it's foam. Zuru calls it foam.
I call this cloud fluff.
You should talk to them and say you didn't name your things properly.
Yeah, they didn't. Look at that.
That's gorgeous, isn't it? And it smells good.
Yeah, oh my god, it smells amazing.
Okay.
Kind of like lemon. Oh, does that mean that one will be green?
I don't know, actually.
This
Probably.
one is yellow, and it showed yellow.
I'm gonna pick that from there and that from there.
So guys, I think this is worth it. Wait. Let me try to do it real quickly. Oh my god, it's so fluffy.
It's lovely, isn't
This
it?
is literally like cloud fluff.
Nice.
Oh, this is my favorite.
So do you wanna open that one too?
Yes.
Go on then.
Oh my god. Let's put that there and open this one. That one was a much better opening because the last one it almost flew out. So yes. Just like magic, bam, it's open, and I think this is blue.
That is so cool.
And then it goes like this, and then you should feel that, seriously.
What does it smell like?
Blueberry. Blueberry.
Oh my god, it does.
Candy.
Cotton candy, that's it.
Cotton candy. Blueberry.
Oh my god, that smells good.
But
How weird is it on there?
I know.
And then on the outside is different when you squeeze it.
I don't really like the outside, but when you like stretch it, it like goes like that.
Really weird, isn't it? What a weird texture it's got.
It's kind of like that stuff. I might as well
But it smells good.
put that bit out real quick. And then do this. And then try make a cloud fluff drizzle. Isn't this just amazing, guys?
Let's see.
Oh, that is amazing.
That is really, really.
You guys should really buy
Really
this
cool.
to see the texture.
And then, wow.
And then it just feels like weird compared to, oh my god. And then it's the best. So yeah, that's it for this one. So yeah,
So, do you want to open which one? That?
I feel like I want to open this one last.
Okay.
Because this one, look at all the things on the back.
Yeah, I've seen them. I'll show it to them in a second as well. So,
We need to open these. This is Minnie, and this is Peter.
Minnie and Peter.
And guess what? Look, the pig. I think these
Peter the pig.
I think these guys actually stick.
Oh, sorry. He's on the floor.
Oh my god.
But they did stick on the table.
Oh.
There you go. But this is so cute. So that's what you had in your treats.
Yes.
Plus loads of these things that they've already eaten and some of the chocolates
I might as well open this right now.
with the minions who have a jack-o'-lantern in their hand.
Oh.
Look at that, they're carrying a jack-o'-lantern. And they are dressed as a skeleton. That is so funny. Isn't it, JJ?
Yeah.
Okay, so do you want to say...
Bye guys. So guys, please remember to
Subscribe.
like and follow us on Instagram
And Facebook.
and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new content.
And we